frequency distribution and graphical representation of data. Frequency distribution. Definition. A frequency distribution is a table that displays a number of occurrences, frequency of each value or range of values, all class intervals in a data set. Types of frequency distribution. 1. Ungrouped frequency distribution used for small data sets with individual values. Second point, group frequency distribution used for large data sets grouped into class intervals. Example 1. Ungrouped frequency table. Suppose the marks obtained by 10 students are, the marks is given, you can see here, marks frequency, because 5 is 3 times, you can see here 5 is 1, 2 and 3. It means first you write minimum value. You can see the 5 is 3 times. Now we check 6. 1, 2, 3. And 6 is also 3 times. After 6, then we check 7. 1, 7, 2 times. Now you can see here we write 7 is 2 times. Frequency means number of times any numbers. 8. 8 is 1 times and 2 times. 8 is also 2 times. If any other numbers are given, then you write here no any numbers are given. All numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8, and you write frequency numbers of times. Example 2. Grouped frequency table. Suppose the ages in years of 20 people are, now the data is given. We can group these into intervals. Age group. We can group these into intervals. It means 10 to 19. Now we check all numbers. 10 to 19. How many numbers are given? 10 to 19. You can make any other table, any other columns. If you write line and you write the column values, it means 10 to 19 value numbers you put in here, and you can see here we get total is 6. Now 20 to 29, then you check all numbers 20 to 29, then you can put here the total quantity is 4. After 30 to 39, check 30 to 39. How many numbers are given? 5. And 40 to 49. Then you write all numbers 40 to 49. Then we check how many numbers 40 to 49 is 5. Every numbers you check carefully and you write here. Then you count how many numbers of quantity, then we put in this value. Graphical representation of data. Graphical representations helps visualize data clearly and quickly. Common graphical tools. Graph type, use case. Bar graph, comparing frequencies of categorical data. Histogram, showing frequency of group numerical data. Pie chart, showing parts of a whole percentages. Line graph, trends over time. Frequency polygon, smooth line graph of histogram data. Example bar graph from example 1. Marks vs frequency. X-axis marks 5, 6, 7, 8. Y-axis frequency up to 3. Draw bars of height equal to the frequency of each mark. Example histogram from example 2. X-axis age interval 10 to 19, 20 to 29, and so on. Y-axis frequency. Bars are joined, no gaps, unlike bar graph. Summary. Term description. Frequency table show how often value occur. Bar graph, bars for comparing categories. Histogram, bars for group continuous data. Pie chart, circular chart showing proportions. Line graph shows trends or changes over time. Frequency polygon, a line graph connecting midpoints of histogram bars. Thank you.